People have called you the real Tony Stark.
What if I told you that one man is trying to change the future of humanity? A man who was bullied as a child, who failed again and again, who was laughed at by the media, yet today, he builds rockets that land themselves, cars that run without fuel, and dreams of making Mars our second home. This is not a movie. This is not science fiction. This is the real story of Elon Musk, one of the most brilliant and most controversial minds of our time. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. From a very young age, he was different. While other children played outside, Elon spent hours alone, reading books, thinking deeply, imagining worlds far beyond reality. He loved science fiction. He loved space. He loved technology. But his childhood was not happy. His parents divorced early, and the home environment became cold and distant. At school, Elon was shy, socially awkward, and often lost in his thoughts. Bullies noticed this. One day, a group of boys pushed him down a staircase, kicked him repeatedly, until he lost consciousness. Elon spent days in the hospital. That moment could have destroyed him, but instead, it pushed him inward, toward computers, toward knowledge, toward ideas that no one could take away. At the age of 10, Elon discovered computers. He taught himself programming. No teacher, no guide. And by age 12, he created his own video game called Blastar and sold it for $500. That was the first sign that this quiet boy was not ordinary. Elon felt South Africa was too small for his dreams. At just 17 years old, he left his home, his family, and moved alone to Canada. No money, no comfort, no backup plan. He worked low-paying jobs, cleaning boilers, doing physical labor, just to survive. But Elon wasn't chasing comfort. He was chasing something bigger. Later, he moved to the United States and studied at the University of Pennsylvania. But classrooms could not hold his ambition. The internet was growing fast, and Elon saw opportunity where others saw risk. In 1996, Elon and his brother started a company called Zip2. They had no money. They slept in their office. They showered at a YMCA. Elon coded day and night, sometimes collapsing from exhaustion. But his hard work paid off. In 1999, Zip2 was sold for $307 million. Elon received $22 million at just 27 years old. Most people would retire. Elon didn't. He started another company called X.com, which later became PayPal. People didn't trust online payments back then. They said it was unsafe. They said it would fail. Elon believed otherwise. Even after being removed as CEO, he stayed focused. In 2002, PayPal was sold to eBay for $1.5 billion. Elon walked away with $180 million. And now, he was ready for his biggest dream yet. Elon invested almost all his money into SpaceX. His goal was simple, yet impossible: make humanity a multi-planet species. The early years were brutal. First rocket, failed. Second rocket, failed. Third rocket, failed. Millions of dollars gone. The media mocked him. Experts called him crazy. By 2008, SpaceX had only one last chance. If the next launch failed, everything would end. On September 28, 2008, the rocket launched. And this time, it reached orbit. SpaceX made history. Soon after, NASA awarded SpaceX a massive contract. Elon Musk had survived. Around the same time, Elon invested in a small electric car company called Tesla. People laughed. They said electric cars were slow, ugly, useless. Tesla nearly went bankrupt. Elon put his own money on the line. Then came the breakthrough. Tesla cars became fast, beautiful, powerful. The world changed its mind. Today, Tesla is not just a car company, it's a movement. Elon Musk is not perfect. His tweets have caused chaos. His leadership is intense. His words are often controversial. Some admire him, some hate him, but no one ignores him. Elon Musk dreams of Mars, of clean energy, of a future beyond Earth. He proves one thing: you don't need a perfect past to build an extraordinary future. Dream big, take risks, and never give up, even when the world calls you crazy.